Look like the G-body's pulled up right here. Don't worry about it, I'll be here next time. They pulled up over here deep. Gotta get a picture of this box though. Okay. It's the one they've been showing on the group right here. Yup, it's the one they've been showing. Yeah, that's the one right there. But them is some 8s. Yeah, them 8s. Sunroof. Steering wheel. Type of motor. He stocked out. He ain't did nothing. Stop. Look like you got a Mac Man or something on there. This box Chevy right here was the one I looked to see. These the ones my uncle had. That right there spin and them spin. And them old doves. He's still messing with the interior. I don't know where he got that interior from. That ain't no box Chevy interior. You got them some foes too. Look like he's still playing with it. There's some little foes up under there. Them some little foes. Okay. Got the money. See, they ain't been pulling up. They pulling up now. They pulling up now. Clean. Got them rolls motherfuckers up on there. Excuse me. They coming with it. They coming with it. Clean. Baby up pretty low. Got the cannon off of there. That's right. He tried to pull up today now. Okay. He tried to pull up today. That's right. Right. Mug smell good. That mug smell good. Mug smell good.
She don't like it, she can leave. I got motion. I ain't never been friendly, I'm just here for the cheese. I got motion. And I'm smelling like the bank, cause that's where I just left. I got motion. And shout out to me, I went and got it myself. I got motion. Oh, I feel the same way about my woes.